Hello students, welcome all of you in my channel Study at Home. Today we will discuss parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Words are divided into different kind of classes called parts of speech according to their use, that is according to the work they do in a sentence. In simple way, division of words is called parts of speech. शब्दों का विभाजन पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच कहलाता है एंड द डिवीजन ऑफ द वर्ड इज बेस्ड ऑन देयर यूज एंड वर्क दे डू इन अ सेंटेंस। और शब्दों का विभाजन वाक्य के अंदर शब्दों के कार्य और उनके प्रयोग पर निर्भर करता है। और द पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच वी एक्सप्लेन हाउ अ वर्ड इज यूज्ड इन अ सेंटेंस। पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच में हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि वाक्य के अंदर एक शब्द कैसे प्रयोग किया जाता है। पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच। द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच आर 8 इन नंबर्स। पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच 8 प्रकार के होते हैं। नाउन, एडजेक्टिव, प्रोनाउन, वर्ब, एडवर्ब, प्रीपोजिशन, कंजक्शन and interjections. But in the some modern grammar, articles is used as a part of speech. First of all, noun. Noun is a word used as the name of person, an animal, an idea, a place or things. Noun एक शब्द है जो पर्सन, एनिमल, आइडिया, प्लेस और थिंग का नाम होता है। यू कैन सी दैट नाउन इज ए नेमिंग वर्ड। नाउन इज ए नेमिंग वर्ड। शिवा वॉज ए ग्रेट किंग। द सन वॉज शाइनिंग ऑन द सी। हिज क्रेज वॉन हिम ऑनर। देर आर शिवा, किंग, सन, सी, क्रेज, ऑनर। These words are nouns because all these words are name of something. The word things include all objects that we can see, hear, taste, touch or smell. वे सभी ऑब्जेक्ट, वे सभी चीज़ें जिन्हें हम देख सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं, स्वाद ले सकते हैं, छू सकते हैं या सूंघ सकते हैं, वे सभी नाउन में काउंट होते हैं। एंड वी कैन थिंक ऑफ, या हम उनके बारे में विचार कर सकते हैं, सोच सकते हैं अपनी सेंसेस के द्वारा, वे भी सब नाउन में ही काउंट होते हैं। एन एडजेक्टिव इज अ वर्ड यूज टू ऐड समथिंग टू द मीनिंग ऑफ ए नाउन। एडजेक्टिव एक शब्द है जो नाउन के मीनिंग में कुछ ऐड करता है, कुछ जोड़ता है, हम उसे एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं। He is a brave boy. He is a brave boy. There are 20 boys in this class. Boy is a noun here. But now question arise, which kind of the boy? वह लड़का किस प्रकार का है? The boy may be good, better, bad, etc. We use here brave. Brave is an adjective because it is telling the kind of boy, quality of the boys. So brave is an adjective here. In the next sentence, there are 20 boys in this class. Now question arises, how many boys in the class? It may be, boys may be 40, 50, 80, 10. Then we use here 20. So it is the quality of boys. How many boys are in the class? 20. So 20 is a adjective here. Good, bad, intelligent, clean, dirty, small, big, lazy. All these words also used as adjective. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Pronoun एक शब्द है जो नाउन की जगह या इन प्लेस ऑफ नाउन के स्थान पर प्रयोग किया जाता है। He wants to marry her. That is your pen. There are two words, he and that. These words are pronoun. Why? Because he is here we are using in the place of some name. There may be Ram, Shyam, etc. But we use here he. Like it that is used here as a pronoun. Not he, she, it, you, they, someone, this, that, they, himself, what, when, which, how, these, those are used as a pronoun. What is a verb? A verb is a word used to express an action or state. वर्ब एक ऐसी क्रिया है जो हमें वाक्य के अंदर उसके एक्शन को दिखाती है, उसकी स्टेट, उसकी अवस्था को दिखाती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड वर्ब. एंड विदाउट वर्ब नो सेंटेंस may be complete. Yeah, we can't write a sentence without a verb. The girl wrote a letter to her cousin. Now question arises, what the girl's subject is doing in this sentence? The girl is writing. The writing is a verb. So first form is write and second form is wrote. Iron and copper are useful metal. Here R is used as a verb, but it is telling about the state of the iron and copper. ये कॉपर और आयरन की स्टेट को बता रहा है, स्थिति को बता रहा है, अवस्था को बता रहा है कि किस प्रकार की मेटल है. The door was open. This is the passive sentence, and here was is used here as a helping verb. Now we can see the type of verb, main verb and auxiliary verb. It is also called helping verb. Read, go, wash, write, teach, etc. And helping verb is am, are, was, were, shall, will, has, have, and had, etc. Now next is adverb. An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, adjective or another adverb. Adverb एक शब्द है जो वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव या दूसरी एडवर्ब के मीनिंग में कुछ ऐड करता है, उसमें कुछ जोड़ता है. He worked the sum quickly. Here the quickly is a adverb because quickly is telling the to add something to the meaning of work. How work is done. Slow, quickly. Here we used quickly because it is adding something in the meaning of work, that is a verb. She pronounced the word quite correctly. Because correctly is an adverb because correctly is telling that something is added in the meaning of pronouns and it is a verb. Next is preposition. Preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person, place or things denoted by the noun or pronoun stand in relation to something else. Preposition एक शब्द है जो noun या pronoun के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है और जो स्थान, व्यक्ति और वस्तु के संबंध को स्थापित करता है. There is a cow in the garden. There are cow and garden, and in is here preposition because it is in is telling about the relation cow and garden. In the next sentence, a fair little girl sat under a tree. Here under is a preposition because it is telling something relation between sat and a tree. Next is girl is fond of music. Fond and music, there are two, and of is a conjunction because it is telling the relation between fond and music. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word used to join words, sentences, phrase or ideas. कंजक्शन एक शब्द है जो शब्दों को, वाक्यों को, फ्रेज को या आइडियाज को जोड़ता है. यू कैन सी दैट कंजक्शन इज ए ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड्स. राम एंड हरि आर कजिन्स. देर आर टू वर्ड्स, two nouns, Ram and Hari, and joining word is here and, because it joins two words Ram and Hari. Two and two make four. There are two words two, and joining word is here and, so and is a conjunction here. I run fast but missed the train. I run fast, one sentence. Second is miss the train. There are two sentences and joining word is here but. So we can see that but is a conjunction here. Now interjection. An interjection is a word which express some sudden feelings. Interjection एक शब्द है जो अचानक फीलिंग्स को दिखाता है, सडन फीलिंग को, स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग को दिखाता है. Hooray, we have won the game. It is the surprising word. We don't hope, but we are surprised when game was won. So, hooray is here, surprising word, and it is called interjection. Here we see here is a exclamation marks is also compulsory. Alas, she is dead. Alas, it is also surprising word. Wow. It is also surprising word because they are showing that we are surprised to hear something. Wow, ouch, hey, hooray, alas, etc. are used to express strong emotions. Now, determiners. Some modern grammars include determiners among the part of speech. पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच के अंदर डिटर्मिनर्स को भी हमने कुछ ग्रामर्स में इंक्लूड किया गया, उसको शामिल किया गया है. व्हाट इज डिटर्मिनर्स? ए, एन, द, दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज, एवरी, ईच, सम, एनी, माई, हिज, वन, टू, एटसेट्रा. ऑल दीज वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड एज ए डिटर्मिनर्स which determines or limit the meaning of the noun that follow. जो noun की अर्थ में एक लिमिट लाते हैं, उसके मीनिंग में एक मीनिंग को सीमित करते हैं. In many traditional grammars, all determiners except a and the are classed among adjectives. a, an और the को छोड़कर सभी डिटर्मिनर्स को हम एडजेक्टिव के अंदर काउंट करते हैं. We will discuss all parts of speech in the following sentence. Wow, it was a good movie and people rushed fast to book tickets. There are many words in this sentence. First word is wow. Wow is an interjection because it is showing sudden feelings, strong feeling, emotion. So we can say that wow is an interjection. Second, it here used as a pronoun because in the place of noun we can use the name of a movie. Third is here was. Was is telling the state of movie. It is telling that the past states. So we can say that was is here as a verb. A is here as an article because it is telling that one. A is here one. Ek movie. Next is good. Good is here an adjective because good is telling the quality of a movie. So we can say that good is used as an adjective. Next is movie. Movie is a noun here. And people, tickets, all these words also noun because they are name. and. And is here as a conjunction because it is a joining word. There are two sentences. Wow, it was a good movie. People rushed fast to book tickets. And first sentence is a wow, it was a good movie. Second is people rushed fast to book tickets. And two sentences are joined by and. So we can see that and is here a joining word, a conjunctions. Next here, rushed. Rushed is a verb here because it is telling what the people are doing. Rushed, भाग रहे हैं, तेजी के साथ चल रही हैं. And next is fast. Fast is telling something about the rushed. It means fast is adding the meaning of rushed. तेजी से भाग रहे हैं. So fast is an adverb. Next is to. To is here preposition because to is giving an idea of relationship between fast and book, and ticket is a noun in this sentence. Thank you.